Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to turn on Windows Defender and run a virus scan so your PC stays safe and clean. First, open the Settings app by clicking Start and the gear icon or pressing Windows plus I. Then go to Privacy and Security or Update and Security on older Windows. Open Windows Security and tap Virus and Threat Protection to check the status. If real-time protection is off, click Manage Settings and flip Real-Time Protection on so Defender can actively block threats. Before scanning, it's a good idea to update the virus definitions by choosing Check for Updates under Virus and Threat Protection Updates so Defender knows about the latest malware. To quickly check for problems, click Quick Scan for a fast sweep of common places malware hides. Or choose Scan Options and pick Full Scan if you want Defender to examine every file on your PC. Full scans take longer but are much more thorough. If you suspect a deeper infection or stubborn malware, run Microsoft Defender offline from Scan Options so your PC restarts and Defender scans outside of Windows for anything hiding at system level. After the scan finishes, then reboot your PC to complete cleanup. That's it. You have learned how to turn on Windows Defender and run a virus scan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.